If you are using Android phone and you don't want to lose data, messages, WhatsApp, mails, and some important credential file on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how properly you can back up your Android phone full guide tutorial. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, just like so. Having get to your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and then make sure you navigate to system right here. It take you right here. At this point here, you have to simply click on backup. So it's going to take you right here. Now, if you are using so many type of Gmail accounts on your Android phone, so you have to simply select the account you want to back up all your Android data to. But in this tutorial, I'm using just one Gmail account. So as a result of that, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on turn on right here. Then at this point here, you can see your photos, video will be backed up in original quality. You can turn off or manage backup at any time in setting. You may need to install or update the photo apps or allow the apps to access your media. Simply click on continue. And it's going to take you right here. Now, at this point here, you can see the total data that is going to back up on this account is 214. Now, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and see some other things that is going to back up on your Android phone, such as app. You have about 26 apps as at the time of making this video, about 26 apps right here, and the photos and video, SMS and MMS messages. Call history is going to be back up. The file setting is going to be back up. Then scroll down and Google account data also is going to be back up. Then the backup is going to be enabled, which may apply for data. Now, what you need to do next is to simply click on backup now. Okay. So backing up your data. So you have to exercise a little bit more patience and make sure this load up completely and every data on your Android phone is going to be backed up. Now, if you lost your phone or the phone crashed, for as long as you have access to your Gmail account and your password, what you need to do is to simply make sure you log in to another phone, to your new phone with your Gmail and password, and with that, you'll be able to restore back all the backup of the information from your previous phone on a new phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply back up your Android phone complete guide without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.